MoneyCake is one of the quickest developing DeFi projects. PancakeSwap is an extremely non-custodial ban and smart chain BSD stage for crypto trade and beneficial cultivating utilizing BET20 tokens. The task generally has its cake token and essentially is closely resembling Uniswap and SushiSwap. Notwithstanding not like these Ethereum-based trades, PancakeSwap has quicker exchanges and lower expenses than Ethereum. Before we move any further, welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp. So please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. Now coming back to our topic at hand. The PancakeSwap network especially was sent off on September 20, 2020 by sort of obscure designers, fully backed up by Binance in February 2021. PancakeSwap became one of the biggest trades in the DeFi portion regarding exchanging volume. The PancakeSwap stage somewhat tackles the issue of digital currency liquidity in the DeFi section, or so they thought. Most tasks in the DeFi portion don't offer extensive administrations, while PancakeSwap upholds all conceivable fragment arrangements. The stage is situated as an extremely decentralized trade with digital money showcases that are made by the organization's members. These business sectors give certainly decentralized liquidity through productive cultivating and commission installments to investors. The PancakeSwap computerized framework utilizes a decentralized administration strategy through the cake token holders, or so they thought proposition for tokenomics. The changes in the convention's activity are made on the whole through a public vote. This approach establishes a sound decentralized climate, where each cake holder is a local area part, despite mainstream thinking PancakeSwap price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of PancakeSwap cost expected in 2022, the base expense of PancakeSwap will be 4.82 cents. The greatest level that the cake cost can go after all expectations and intentions is 5.55. The typical exchanging cost most certainly is normal around $5, and 4 cents cake price is forecast for August 2022 or so, they thought, in light of the value vacillations of the PancakeSwap. Toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical cake pace of 4.61 in August 2022. Its for the most part least and exceptionally greatest costs can be anticipated at 4.21 and 4.74 cents separately in September 2022. PancakeSwap price forecast. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the cake cost in September 2022. The especially least exchange cost could in a real sense be 4.57, while the greatest could reach 4.97. During this month, overall it is normal that the worth of the PancakeSwap may be around 4.75 cake price. Forecasts for October 2022 crypto experts have looked at the value variances of PancakeSwaps in 2022 and earlier years. So the normal cake rate they foresee may be around $4.84 in October 2022. Despite prevalent thinking, it can drop to 62 cents as a base, or so they in every practical sense thought. The greatest worth may be 5.16. November 2022 PancakeSwap price forecast around mid-year 2022. The cake cost will be exchanged at 4.94 cents on normal in an unpretentious manner. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the PancakeSwap worth 5.36. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 4.72 cents in November 2022. Cake price forecast for December 2022 crypto specialists has examined PancakeSwap costs in 2022. So they truly are prepared to give their assessed exchange genuinely normal for December 2022 $5.04, the most reduced and top cake rates, may be $4.82 and $5.55. After the examination of the costs of PancakeSwaps in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of a PancakeSwap will truly be around 6.93. The greatest expected cake cost might be around 8.57. Overall, the exchange cost may be 7.18 cents in the 2023 PancakeSwap price prediction for 2024. Given the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of PancakeSwap in 2024, cake is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs of about 25 cents and 12.23 separately. The typical expected exchange cost is 10.53. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broken down the costs of PancakeSwap and their changes during the earlier years in an especially significant manner. It is expected that in 2025 the base cake cost could drop to 14.78, while its greatest can, for the most part, reach 17.60 cents. By and large, the exchange cost will be around 15.30. Given the examination of the expenses of PancakeSwap by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least cake costs are normal in 2026 at 25.4, 1, and 21.26. What do you think of today's video? Comment down below if you have any opinions on the topic. Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.